Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be playing Subnautica. It's been a long time, let's just say that. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today. I've been doing a couple tutorial videos lately, why not? Another one. I'm going to be showing you how to get lithium. If you don't already know, lithium is needed for a couple things. You need it for reinforcements, which really help your base a lot actually. You need it for a lot of building materials, like I think you need it for building the moon pool, Cyclops, and I think that's, yeah, you need it for a couple things, and upgrade modules. You also need it for upgrade modules too. My base is a little messy, but we don't need to mind that right now. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this tutorial. You can take a Seamoth, Cyclops, any vehicle in the game. You can even take a if you're really daring, because there are some crab snakes, which are predatory and territorial. If you're really daring, you can take the sea moth, but I don't think so. You should probably take protection. Okay, let's just get right into this. Okay, so you can. I think I'm gonna take the sea moth or the prawn. I don't really know. I just got the prawn suit not that long ago. I'm gonna take the sea moth out for a ride. It's been a while. I recommend it in the sea moth or the prawn because the Cyclops is massive. Like it's literally huge, 40 feet. So what you're gonna want to do to get lithium, you're gonna want to go to the oh my god. You're gonna want to go to the mushroom tree forest, like the big mushroom trees. If you want to find that, there's one down northeast. Maybe not. No, northeast. Like right where I'm facing. There's one down there, but that has a Reaper Leviathan, I think. Yeah, that's the one that has a Reaper Leviathan. If you want to find the one that are more safe, I haven't seen any Reapers there yet. I don't know if there is or not. I think it's more safe. You're gonna want to go, let's see, from here. Wherever your thing is, you want to go like northwest, kind of that area. Northwest, north. You're just gonna want to travel this direction. You're gonna see a slight drop off once you get to the red grass, I think the biome is called. Yeah, the red grass. You're gonna see a slight drop off, and that's where you're gonna see. That's where you're gonna start to see some kind of looks like dunes almost, and you'll find Cyclops fragments there, but that's not what we're gonna do. That's not what we're talking about today. So I think you're gonna fly past the grassy plateaus a little bit, and then you'll see if you just keep going northwest around that area. You'll eventually find it. Here's a wreckage too, I guess. It's cool. You're just gonna want to keep going. Just keep going this direction. You'll start to see some mushrooms pop up, you know. So here's the red grass. You're gonna want to keep going. Keep going this way. And then right here. So this is also where the I think this is where the big, huge mushroom tree is, like the parents of all the mushroom trees, I think. There are some bone sharks, I know that. I know that much. But this is where you're gonna find a lot of your lithium. Yep, there's a big tree. Like I said, you're just gonna want to keep traveling northwest. You'll find these things. They'll start to pop up. You'll know what they look like, trust me. Crap. So to find lithium, lithium normally spawns around the bottom. It doesn't spawn too much, but this is a good place to find it. You're just gonna want to keep searching, just looking around like this. You're eventually going to find it, but it might take a while to find your first one. I'll cut to when I find my first lithium. Oh yeah, also there's Cyclops fragments. Like I said, there's a whole fragment, and there's bone sharks. I think I said though. They do go after you, which is kind of annoying. Oh yeah, also you might want to take a prawn too, because there are these deposits here, like these big deposits of copper, there's diamond, quartz, lithium deposits, which are pretty good obviously. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can do it. So you can find some lithium in shale outcrops too, or if they do I mean that's diamond, but it's fine. Ooh, that was close. I'm gonna scare it off. Okay, let's get that thing away. So Now, you're just gonna want to keep searching. Once you find it, you're good. Once you find it, just keep searching. You'll find more. There's a Cyclops fragment. Yep, here's our first one right here. So there's our first lithium. This is also in my freedom world. I do not have a survival yet. I'll work on that. And you can just search around, find these more lithium around the tree. You'll find that there's a lot more around this huge one. But you can search on the bottom for Cyclops fragments, like hull, bridge, and engine fragments here. You'll probably find them all. They're around the outside normally. But you'll find, like I said, the shale outcrops. They're like dark, like a dark limestone like this. You'll see them. There's a lithium deposit actually. So if you take your prawn, just like you get the prawn to drill arm, you can drill that to get lithium. I can do some. Like I said, oh wait, no, the gel sacks. Gel sacks are actually pretty good too. You can grow them at your base. You can make aerogel with them, but that's not the point. So this shale outcrop, you can get gold, diamond, lithium, which obviously is our thing today. So once you get as much as you can fit in your thing, you can just start to go back. You'll see the aurora a little bit. You can just go. So try and find this big tree. Just your way back. You'll probably be able to find it because these markers. But you can either just like swim back like this, or if your markers are glitched or anything like that, I'll also do something. You can just fly up from this big one. You'll see the aurora with some mist over it, but you will see the aurora outline. Just go towards that, and you'll eventually see your what's it called? You'll eventually see your pod and your base and stuff. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut to when I get back to my base. See ya. Okay, so that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I might do another tutorial on Subnautica. I might do a tutorial on something else, but it's not gonna do that right now. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later. This knife is so cool.